The restoration work of road connecting Wapopi and Bino area of Bishnupur district will soon begin under the State Finance Commission 2019-20. In connection to this, Wangu Jilla Parishad member M. Brojen along with others paid a visit to the proposed construction site yesterday. Fourth annual prize distribution of meritorious students and gold medalists in state and national games of Ward Number 9 Kumbi Municipal Council was held yesterday at Kumbi. The prize distribution was organized by Citizen Welfare Association Kumbi. The Jorhat district unit of the ASU along with 30 other ethnic groups paid tribute to the 5 martyrs who lost their lives during protests against Citizenship Amendment Act CAA 2019 in Assam. As per media reports, the All Assam Students Union ASU organized lighting of ardent pots and candle lights at 13 public places at Jorhat to pay homage to the martyrs, including a 17-year-old student. Dharmanagar Police of Tripura arrested 3 National Liberation Front of Tripura NLFT insurgents on the night of December 31. One 9mm pistol and 6-round cartridge was recovered from their possession. According to police sources, they were coming from Silchar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday expressed his deep sense of loss and anguish at the death of Nagaland Assembly Speaker Vikho O Yoshu, who was battling cancer. Nagaland Assembly Speaker Vikho O Yoshu died on Monday at a hospital in Mumbai after battling lung cancer for several months, family members said. He was 67 years of age at the time of demise.